Hey everyone, we're back here at Mechanic Grove Church of the Brethren. Things are in full motion here. Let's go inside and check it out and see what we got going on. We have some special helpers with us today. Hey, we're standing in one of the existing portions of the building that has not been renovated since 1958. As you look around, we have it fully demoed and ready to go for interior framing and electrical and mechanical equipment. Next time you should see some framing going up, all the electrical going in, and ductwork being installed.